Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to show you how to change the spark plugs on this 1.4 1999 Renault Clio. And luckily for you, spark plugs on this thing are relatively inexpensive. Unlike modern cars, it doesn't have individual coils, okay? So it's fairly simple, but what I would suggest is just doing one at a time so you don't get these HT leads mixed up. So what you're going to do is just pull up nice and straight and put that to one side nice and safe. If you've got one, great. A spark plug removal socket, and as you can see there's rubber bushings in there to allow you to withdraw the spark plug. If you don't have one, don't worry, I'll show you a neat little trick in a minute. If you don't have a specialist socket, then just use a deep socket to get these off. Check the condition of the spark plug. As you can see, this one's running all right, to be honest. Next, if you can, get a hoover and just hoover out inside there. You may have to modify your Henry Hoover by taping, a thinner nozzle on it, but get it in there and give it a good old clean. Next, get your spark plug and put it back onto your tool. Should mean that it's not going to fall out. Just put it in there, and what you want to make sure is that you're very careful with how you thread it, because you don't want to cross thread these threads. Okay, you'll be in the world of hurt. So just do it by hand for a bit. And that's perfect, okay? That's what you want. You don't want to rush this. Set your torque wrench to 28 Newton meters and then tighten up till it clicks. Push that back on, just give it a nice click. Now, if you don't have one of them special tools, what you can use is a magnet. Fairly easy, yeah. Go onto the back of it and just withdraw it out that way. Now repeat the process on all the other cylinders. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you check the comments, there'll be a playlist on all things maintenance for this Renault Clio 1999 1.4.